Run-to-failure maintenance vs. preventive maintenance. Run-to-failure maintenance is a maintenance strategy in which maintenance activities are performed after a failure occurs. It's a reactive strategy that allows an asset to break down before deciding whether to repair or replace it. Also referred to as breakdown maintenance, this strategy is best suited for non-critical assets, inexpensive assets, and those with shorter lifespans. It's also sometimes used for equipment such as satellites that are difficult to perform regular maintenance on. However, run-to-failure maintenance should never be used for critical assets that impact production and safety. Alternatively, preventive maintenance involves scheduling and performing recommended upkeep according to time or usage-based intervals. It's a proactive strategy best suited for expensive assets, critical assets, and components that are essential to employee safety. Ultimately, organizations that solely practice run-to-failure miss out on solving minor issues before they become big problems. Additionally, frequently missed or delayed tasks, like periodically lubricating equipment parts, can reduce useful lifespans over time. The result, needing to frequently purchase new pieces of equipment earlier than necessary.